In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on your Mac. So the first step is you want to go to your browser and simply type VS Code and open code.visualstudiocode.com. And from here you will see your option for download. So click on download for macOS. And now it should download our Visual Studio Code, so you can see. Now we can go to our documents and downloads, sorry, and we want to simply double click on our VS Code. And you just have to drag this Visual Studio Code in your application, all right. Now it's going to copy the file, so I have to wait a second. After that, we can open our applications and we can see the Visual Studio Code over here. So if I double click on it, it should open. And this is basically it. So this is how we can download Visual Studio Code on your macOS. Left side, you can already see build with agent. So you have AI already here. If you open this icon in top right, so you can start building with the AI. You just have to describe your prompt here. On the left side, you can see Explorer. So from here, you can open your folder. So let's say if you have some website, you can upload it over here. So if I click on open folder, I'm going to select the website, which I have as a file, and then you can browse through the backend and frontend, and you can edit your codes manually or with the AI. Then next you have search. So you can search for specific files. Then you have source control, which is basically built in Git integration. And after that, you have run and debug. So you can run and debug your code inside VS Code. And after that, you have extensions. You have like programming languages, you have Python, you have C++. And to install extension, let's say I'm going to install Python, you just simply have to click on install and it's going to install the Python extension in your VS Code and then you can start using it. And that's basically it for this video. So this was a quick video how you can install and download VS Code on Mac. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.